Hey guys, do you want to transform your living spaces from this, this to this, and this to this? Well, you came to the right channel. So it's another exciting weekend here, guys, at the Tropiscape, and today I'll be doing something that I've been intending to do for the past couple of weeks, but never just had the time to do it. So it's gonna be my gate arch. It's my gate in the background, guys, and I've been intending to do something like a vertical living arch on top of the gate so that when people get here they will know that this is the Tropiscape, because I don't want it looking like that. And aside from that, one of the reasons why I decided to do something like a gate overhead with plants covering the space is to give me some privacy, because this street is actually a little bit higher, and people walking here all throughout the day could just see me inside when I'm doing stuff, and I don't want that. I want to keep my privacy. And because recently there have been news of plant thieves roaming around, and since it's just easy to go over the gate and just get inside my backyard, so I was planning to have like something like a deterrence for them. So yeah, if there are plants there that they want to get, that's okay, because I'll be putting in common plants here in front of on our gate arch, so no problem. Okay, so we're now painting the steel frame for our gate arch. So this is really important because this is not just to blend the background, but most importantly to extend the lifetime of the steel frame and protect it from rust, because they'll be with plants and you will have to water them from time to time, so it will be so attracted to rust if you don't do everything to prevent it from happening. So there was a heavy downpour yesterday, guys. Nothing we can do because we live in a tropical country. It's a blessing. So I had to pause everything that I was doing. Plan on continuing today, but also earlier today it was raining really hard, but now it's finally okay. So we're gonna do what we left behind yesterday. So these are some of the plants that we'll be using, guys. Since the location of the entrance is hit by direct scorching sunlight all throughout the day, I carefully selected sun-loving plants that can tolerate sun, of course. These are sun-loving plants, but as you can see, there are also ferns here because they will be placed at the back portion of the gate overhead, because that area is not so exposed to the sun. Plants like these bromeliads, schaffleria, cordylines, they all tend to do well in this hot environment. And another consideration in selecting plants is this: you don't only select sun-loving plants, but sun-loving plants that were taken from a sun-exposed location. Otherwise, if they have been in a shade for some time, there will still be adjustment or acclimatation, and the effect is that they might have burned leaves after a while. Although they will eventually adapt because they are sun-loving plants, but I don't want for the plants to have to go through that anymore. So guys, we were just gonna continue what we left off behind yesterday dahil ang lakas ng ulan, so hindi ko matuloy. So let's talk about the design of this tropical garden entrance. Well, there's really no definite design I can think of right now. What I'll just do is the goal really is just to put a lot of tropical plants here so that it will be covered from the outside, and then I just want those coming here to have a feeling like they're about to enter tropical garden. That's it. Because as you can see, if this is what my entrance looks like right now, people are not gonna be encouraged to go inside. It's like it's not very welcoming. It's like just like a typical back. Show you guys how something so simple, something so commonly looking can be transformed into something else, something amazing with just a little bit of creativity. All right, so I'm excited. So let's jump to it. So we're almost done, guys, with the front portion of the gate arch. So next we will hang all the ferns here at the back, because as you can see, those spots look really unpleasant in this part. So I just finished working on our tropical garden entrance makeover, guys. So let's take a look. And that's about it, guys, for another space makeover video here in Pinoy Plantito. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and also check out all our other videos here. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.